Hello guys, welcome back. Right, you might have been discouraged by some people who say Forex trading is a scam. You might have been discouraged by those who have failed in the Forex market, okay? You are not going to be one of those, right? You might think, oh, maybe this is a scam. It's not a scam at all. It's not a scam. It's not a scam at all right? So there are certain things that make people think that Forex trading is a scam, especially those who are outside the Forex industry, or those who have never tried even Forex trading, or for those who have tried Forex trading and they have failed, and they want to discourage some people who are still in the Forex market so that they also drop out or they jump ship. But you are not going to jump ship, right? You are going to stay in until your initial reason or your initial goal for joining the Forex market or starting Forex trading is accomplished, all right? So you are going to stay in until your dreams are achieved, all right? So one thing you have to remember is that Forex trading is, yes, it's, I believe in one way or the other, it's a get quick rich scheme. Why? Because you can have a 19-year-old, 18-year-old, 17-year-old becoming a millionaire in Forex trading. Okay? People have become rich overnight with Forex trading. That is true. All right? Some may have gambled their way there, or it was just something by chance. They placed a trade and the trade went their way and they flipped their accounts and they got to they made that much amount of money. All right, so it's possible to become a millionaire in Forex trading at a very young age, all right, or pretty quickly compared to other industries or compared to other ventures. The reason is because the Forex market has a lot of volume in terms of liquidity coming into the market every day. Imagine about $6 to $7 trillion traded in the Forex market every day in the financial market. So it's quite a big market. So you can take advantage of that pool of money, okay, and also trade, all right, and be able to make money in the Forex market. And that's why it's possible to make money very fast in Forex, all right, or quicker than other ventures in the Forex market. It's also one way of actually blowing all your money in a very short time. It's a high risk and also it's a high reward kind of venture, all right? So you just have to win in the Forex market, you have to play your cards right. You have to know what you have. You have to have a strategy. You have to have a goal. Don't just look at every other Forex guru out there and then begin jumping from strategy to strategy, okay? So I'm laying out certain things that might have discouraged you or maybe discouraging you right now in the Forex market, okay? You don't have to blame anyone because Forex trading is a legit kind of venture. I would call it a business. It's a legit kind of business. Some have called it gambling. It's not gambling at all. It's based on fundamental and technical analysis, all right? It is something that you study over time and know the behavior of particular assets in the market. And every movement in the market, every pip that the market moves is based on demand and supply. It's based on the sentiment of those who are involved or those who are participating in the market. So it's not gambling at all, as some people think, okay? You can come into the Forex market and gamble your money away. Yes, that is possible. Just like in any other business. I cannot claim I know how to do dairy farming and I just wake up one morning without any kind of research and then go into dairy farming, start buying a bunch of cows. The next thing you know, the cows are dying of some kind of strange disease, and I'm losing a lot of money, and I'm losing everything that I set up because I am naive. I don't know anything about dairy farming. So that is basically gambling. So you cannot go into any business without doing your own research. So the same thing applies to Forex trading. Approach Forex trading like any other business. Do your own study, do your own analysis, do technical analysis, make the charts your friend. Always be on the charts, okay? In the initial stages of your learning process, make the charts your friend. Do the technical analysis, the support and resistance, the trend lines, learn everything, the Fibonacci retracement, the Fibonacci extension tools, learn everything that is involved in the Forex market, all right? And then as you advance, as you put more, as you invest your own hard-earned money into Forex, start small and risk small. Manage your risk. The reason why most traders fail in the Forex market is because they fail to manage their risk. Manage your risk, okay? And make sure that you know how much you are willing to lose. That is risk management. It's under risk management. You cannot have all your life savings into the Forex, into your Forex account, all right? Because you don't have a backup plan, okay? And many traders have been in such a position where you blow accounts and you blow everything that you have worked for, okay? You don't want to be in that position. So risk management is very important. That is what puts most traders away from Forex trading. They fail to manage their risk. They watch the videos on YouTube, people flipping accounts from $100 to $1 million, and they think they can do it overnight, all right? And when they attempt to do that with their hard-earned money, they keep losing money, and they keep asking themselves whether this is legit or not. Yes, Forex trading is legit, but when you start gambling with Forex trading, you will lose money. First of all, you have to understand how Forex trading works, okay? Learn each asset, how it moves and how it behaves in the market, okay? Learn how to apply fundamental analysis to your technical analysis and how you can use that knowledge to take a trade or to take a position, and how much you are willing to lose, all right? And how much you are also willing to take. Don't be too greedy in the market. This is one other thing, all right? I'm just laying out points there which I've also faced myself initially in my Forex journey, all right? And I've learned a lot, okay? I'm also in the growing process in this Forex trading, and literally everyone in the Forex market never stops learning. You have to continuously improve on your edge. You have to continuously learn a new skill, all right, to be able to win in this Forex market if you are going to be in the Forex market long term, all right? So some people are too quick to close their profits. That is also one thing that I've noticed. Don't be too quick to close your profits. You can break even when you have achieved 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio and you are running in profits. You can break even and let your profits run to a reasonable 1-to-2, 1-to-3, 1-to-4, or even 1-to-5 if you are holding your trades long term, all right? If you're a swing trader. If you really see that the market is moving in your direction, why do you cut your profits short? All right, hold your profits longer and cut your losses short. Okay, there's this tendency which all traders have faced. All right, there's this tendency of letting your losses run even longer than your profits, in a hope that the market will come back in your direction and eventually recoup. You will recoup the losses and start running in the profits. And the next thing you know, you have blown that account. All right. So cut your losses short when you realize for sure the market is not going to, the candles will not return in your direction. Okay. Maybe there's been a sudden change of character because of some fundamentals in the market or some kind of disruption in the market. Okay. You have to cut those losses short. Don't keep holding in the hope that the market will come back in your favor, all right? Cut your losses short and keep your profits running after breaking even, all right? That's very important, guys, okay? So another mistake traders make is that they jump from strategy to strategy because they have seen their guru on Facebook or on YouTube or wherever, okay, on TikTok, on Instagram, making lots of money overnight. Okay, some of those people have got a skill that they have mastered over the years with so many failures. So you as a newbie in the market, you cannot presume to be like the one who is making $1 million in a week. You have to start small. Don't assume the position of the trader that you are looking at, okay? Look at yourself and your position. How much are you willing to lose? And invest that. Don't jump from strategy to strategy. Master your own strategy, okay? And stick to your strategy. Backtest your strategy and see if it has at least a 50% win rate, all right? And continue with that strategy, okay? Keep at least tweaking that strategy once in a while. As you can see, how the markets behave. All right. Master your own strategy. You can develop 1 or 2 or 3 strategies which you can use depending on which asset you trade. So you can, for example, with gold is a very highly volatile pair, and also BTC USD is highly volatile. So the way you trade BTC USD and gold may not be the way you trade, let's say, AUD USD, because AUD USD is not as volatile as gold. All right. So, and the time frames also where you will trade these may differ. All right, based on your strategy. So you have to know which asset am I trading. Don't trade everything in the market. You are trading futures, you are trading stocks, you are trading Forex, you are trading everything. You are trading commodities, you are trading everything. You are all over the place. You have not mastered the behavior and the character of every pair. So make sure that you master also and balance. And also, sometimes traders who lose in the market, you begin blaming the broker. You think that there is somebody in the back office or in the back end trying to manipulate your trades and cause you to lose. There is nothing like that. All right. There's nothing like that happening. The broker is not the problem. You are the problem. Okay. So until you realize that I am the problem, I have to change I have to maybe change my strategy or make my strategy better, or do more technical analysis training, or do more fundamental analysis and all of that. Okay. You have to change the way you trade. If you realize that you are always losing, there has to be a problem. Okay, you have to change yourself. It may be your risk management. It may be that you are placing your stop loss too close, following other people's signals, and you are not really mindful of why they have posted those signals and why you are taking the trade. So do not blame the broker. The broker is not manipulating your trades on the back end to make you lose. It's all up to you. When you lose in the market, don't blame anyone. It's up to you. So you have to change a couple of things to be able to win in the market. All right. And also, don't try to, flip accounts and get rich overnight. Your journey is different from others. Don't begin to see others driving Lamborghinis and all of that, and then you think that you will get a Lamborghini the next month. While that is possible, it is a very small number of people who can do that, okay? And it's always often by chance, okay, that you start trading today and the next day you are buying a Lamborghini. That is a far-fetched idea. That's a far-fetched thought, all right? You can't imagine that you actually do that, okay? So you have to follow the process. Follow the process, okay? Don't try to be like others, okay? Master your own strategy. Take your own time on the charts to do your own technical analysis until you are better off a trader, okay? Focus on the strategy. Focus on the formula on how you can make wealth. Do not focus on the Lamborghinis and the apartments people are buying because they are showing you on Instagram that they are doing those things. Some of those things may be hired. They are not actually real. Some of those people do not own those things. All right. Some of them. I know some of them do, but some of them do not. They're just selling the dream to you so that you can buy their courses and buy their whatever they are selling. All right. So you have to be very careful. You focus on learning how to trade. Focus on the formula on how you can create that wealth that you are looking for. And always remember why you started Forex trading. If you have only $100 or $500 or even $1,000 in your balance, don't try to over risk. Don't use a lot size of 10. Okay, because some guru is using a lot size of 100 and you're going to use a lot size of 100 on $1,000 only. It will blow your account. Okay, so focus on you. Okay, know your own situation and focus on you. All right, and you may have people that you are taking care of, family members or something. You have your own responsibilities. So focus on that, how you can scale yourself from a small balance to a bigger balance, all right, or a larger balance over time. You can grow that slowly by slowly, okay, over time, all right. You cannot fill an ocean in one day. It takes a drop every time until that eventually fills the bucket or fills the tank that you're trying to fill, all right. So that is very important. So how you can increase your capital. Many of us as Forex traders, when we come into the market, we are really faced with this problem of how can we increase our capital, because the more money you have in your bank, in your account balance, the more you are potentially going to make. Okay, if you have $100, you are not going to make that much. If you are, say you are making 1% or 2%, that's just $1 or $2. All right, that is really small. All right, but how you can increase your balance is, first of all, you learn how to trade. Learn how to trade, master strategies, learn how to trade. And if you have a winning edge, or you have got your winning strategy, you have back tested, now you can focus on how can I get capital? How can I increase my balance so that I can make more? All right, you can start small, yes, and make incremental gains, right? Over time. All right, you get to a point where you want to make more. All right, so the question of how do I increase my balance, there are several ways. Okay, you can solicit funds from maybe your relatives who have that money to give you $1,000. Maybe one can give you $5,000, $10,000, and you can grow that and discuss how you will share the profits with them. That can increase your balance also over time. Another way would be, getting funding from prop firms. Since you have learned how to trade, you can actually go out there. There's several prop firms there which are offering different kind of challenges for you to pass before you can get funded. Okay, I can recommend some of them, like FTMO has been in the industry for a long time. I'm not advertising for them. I'm just mentioning for those who may be wondering which one should I go for. You can try FTMO, and when you purchase their challenges, or even a prop firm which has come out of recent and is quite popular, it's called Funded Next. You can try Funded Next also. I'm also not promoting them. I'm just saying because I've seen their credibilities out there. All right, so you can take one of the challenges, and when you pass those challenges, all right, you can have access to a simulated account of $50,000 to $100,000 to $200,000. Okay, and then you can aim at making 2 to 5% of that every month, and that is thousands of dollars for you in the pocket, as you put it in your own trading account to grow your own capital to trade later. All right, so that is one way you can grow your capital. All right, through prop firms, through soliciting also from private investors whom you have pitched your idea to, and they have really seen that you are able to trade and make money. All right, that is very important. So that is what I wanted to share with you guys. All right, so the forex market, or the forex trading that you are doing right now, it's not a scam at all. Some people come into the forex market with a gambling mindset, and when you come into any business, any at all, okay, whether you are selling shoes, if you are selling whatever you are doing, all right, if you come in that market without studying that market, you are going to lose, because you are gambling with what you don't know. If you jump into a business without knowing what to do, that is gambling. All right, and you are going to lose very badly. Okay, so forex is not a scam. It's only a scam to those who think it's a scam, but it's not. It's a legit business which you can get involved in, but you have to take time to learn on the charts, technical analysis, and also know fundamental analysis. If you want to accelerate your progress, okay, or to avoid some of the hurdles that are involved, okay, or to skip over them and get to the top faster, there is what we call mentors. Okay, you can get somebody who knows what trading is, or what to avoid, who has been in the industry for some time, all right, to train you on how to trade. Okay, those are called mentors. So I also do mentorship. So if you are looking for a mentor, I can actually do. I have a mentorship program for mostly beginners. All right, I can mentor you from zero to be able to place your first trade in the market. And right now, I have a discount on that mentorship package. Okay, you can contact me in the link below, WhatsApp link, and then we can talk about it. All right, so you can also use mentors to accelerate your progress, okay, to make it faster. Some people take 10 years before they even become successful or become profitable, but if you want to make it faster, you can also get mentorship from mentors who have actually been in the industry for a long time, okay, and have learned a lot that they can compress that time or reduce that time for you to be successful. So guys, follow the process. It can be hard, it can be difficult, it can be gut-wrenching, it can be so bad, all right? Sometimes it can be heartbreaking. I guarantee you, if you're a beginner, you are going to lose money, because in every business, there are losses and there are profits. There are down bad days and there are good days, all right? I guarantee you are going to lose money. But what you want to do is to minimize your losses and maximize your profits. That is what it's all about. In every business, you want to minimize your losses and maximize your profits. Even the best traders, people who trade with, for example, Goldman Sachs, all right? They also have bad days. They also have bad months. They lose millions of dollars but make a lot more money afterwards, okay? So that at the end of the day or at the end of the year, they have more profit than they have losses. That's what it's all about, okay? So you have to have an edge in the market to be able to always win, okay? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and also share with your friends. And if you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.